Hello everyone, Akash here. 8 months ago when I first reviewed this Neo hair lotion, I wasn't sure this is gonna work or not. I personally used myself and many success story that I'll share with you in this video really gonna help you to decide do you really want to use Neo hair lotion or not. And 7 simple tips I'll give you in this video. If you just simply follow the 7 simple steps, you're going to stop your hair fall right now at this moment, which I'll go over later on in the video. Especially the hair you have at the moment on your head, you're looking at it and you're thinking, I wanted to keep this hair and I wanted to regrow back some of the hair I lost. A simple 7 step, if you follow, you will get it back. So end of the video, I'll give you away 2 natural hair treatment product that I personally used it and benefited from it, and I'll give away end of the video. I did HD, it's not a real name, of course not. I have been using for 2+ months and I managed to get most of my hair back. It's amazing product. So it took him 2 months to get his hair back with Neo hair lotion. Sihab commented 6-month use Neo hair lotion, amazing result. So Sihab, it took him 6 months to get his hair back. The other guy, it took him 2 months to get hair back. So everybody's hair situation different, but if you see a significant difference within 2 weeks, 3 weeks, you're seeing your hair growth is rapidly getting hair growth, then you have to continue using it. Some people use it just 1 bottle, some people use it like 2 bottles, so depend on your hair situation. But again, everybody's hair situation different. It could be taking 2 months, it could be taking 6 months, but once you get there, your hair get thicker and fuller, then you could stop using it. Very important, make sure you buy the original product. Make sure you check the address in the side. It says made in Thailand, and also it's gonna say 120 ml, and it made by Green Wealth. So if you check the box, those 3 things matches, that means it's authentic. Again, you could get it through the link in description box. I have it. You know you're gonna get the original things, but in case you're in a different country, you're not sure, those 3 things you're gonna look for it. And the most common question I get is it has any side effect. Check through all those people, they got really good results. There is not even single one person said that they had any kind of side effect. You're gonna see there says they grow their hair really fast. Also, I get question, women can use it? Absolutely, man and women both can use this product. Simply in the morning and the afternoon, you're gonna use twice. Just simply spray it like 3 times. Most likely I do it 3 times, and just comb your hair and just go by your day, and your hair gonna feel thicker and fuller immediately. Use it in the evening at the same process. Just put it 3 times and comb your hair. That would be the best way to use it. My email address in the description box. If you have any question personally, you wanted to show your hair situation, you could send a picture. Best of my knowledge, I'll try to help you out as much I can, and which product should you use. Anything you're not sure about, you could always go on my channel playlist called All Hair Growth Products. You will find a detailed video of every single products I reviewed, and you could figure out that way that what is really best for your hair. So let's go through the 7 simple things you should do it as of today to stop your hair fall and make sure in long run you regrow back your lost hair. How could you tell that you can regrow back your hair? Think about this way, how much hair did you lost last 3 years? Most likely your hair roots still there if you lost your hair less than 3 years ago. So let's say 3 years ago you had 100% of your hair, and last 3 years you lost 30 or 40 or 50% of your hair. So your hair root most likely is still there. So if you just follow this simple 7 step, most likely you'll get back your hair, or as close to your 100% thicker and fuller hair. Number 1 would be keep your hair as short as possible. See, my hair is really short. Keep your hair as short as possible. The reason I'm saying it, when you start losing hair, your hair root is very weak. So when you have a very weak hair roots, you most likely gonna lose hair if you have a long hair. So if you keep your hair really short, less and less hair fall gonna happen because you're not putting too much pressure on your hair roots. So first thing you would be do, if you have a currently long hair and you're losing hair, cut it down short. Again, if you're a woman, I understand you don't want it to cut your hair short. That's a different story. But if you're a man, cut it as short as possible. This way you're gonna see a less hair fall. Number 2 would be, is very important, use cold water. It doesn't matter how many times you wash your hair, man and women, use cold water. Never use hot water, even warm water. When your hair is wet, your hair root is very, very weak, and if you put hot water in your really weak hair roots, you're gonna have more hair fall. So try to use cold water. This way, you're gonna reduce your hair fall when you're taking a shower, which is very important. It's not only about taking a shower. Anytime you wash your hair, make sure you don't use hot water. And using a hair oil, if you are a man, if you take a shower in the morning, even a woman, if you're taking a shower in the morning, if you keep your hair oil overnight and you take a shower in the morning, highly unlikely you're going to lose hair. Oil gonna be shield for you. When you're taking a shower in the morning, the water gonna be slide through and not gonna have any hair fall. So use overnight. Even if you're thinking you don't want it to use hair oil overnight, 2 hours before taking a shower, using a hair oil, that could reduce at least 90% of your hair fall every time you take a shower. That is a huge number. His lifestyle is different. Everybody's schedule is different. So try to have a hair oil before 2 hours taking a shower, or do it overnight. The best way you're gonna stop your hair fall. And the two hair oil I'm gonna recommend, Moroccan oil and the red onion oil. Those two oils, detailed video in my channel playlist, all hair growth product. You could always go there and check it out. And I always put the link in description box so you could get it from it. Number 4 would be when you're taking a shower, when you're using a towel, man and women both. Don't go like jiggling on your hair, because your hair root is very weak. When you take a shower, your hair is wet. So don't jiggle it, just gently press it. Gently press it. So this way, you're gonna have less hair fall. So it's very important. People don't realize every time they take a shower, because we take a shower few times a week, right? Even some people take shower every day. So if you every time jiggling your hair with the towel, you're gonna lose more and more hair. So just gently press it. That would be really helpful to your hair. Number 5 will be stop using chemical shampoo. This is very important. You're doing everything right to stop your hair fall, but you're using chemical shampoo. Try to use baby shampoo. You'll find in my channel playlist detailed video about baby shampoo. Try to use ginger shampoo. That's also really helpful to your hair. Or use biotin shampoo. You'll find all those videos in my channel playlist. So you could check out those detailed videos. So try to stay away from chemical shampoo. That would be really helpful to your hair roots. Try not to use any chemical gel, because that's going to be really harmful to your hair. All those things I'm telling you right now to help to reduce your hair fall and regrow your hair in long run. But if you're just using chemical gel, don't do none of those things, because it's not going to work if you're using harmful chemical gels. The special occasion, I do use a hair gel, but this is the only gel I use. This is called aloe vera 100% organic gel. It's really hard to find, but again, I'll put the link in description box. You could get it from there. But sometimes if you wanted to go to a party or some special occasion, you wanted to use gel, you could use 100% pure aloe vera gel. This is 100% chemical free, but still when you come home, try to wash your hair with cold water, because you don't want it to keep gel on your hair for a long time. Number 7 would be very important to give your hair enough nutrition. Hair supplement is really helpful to do that. If you're thinking you don't get enough nutrition for your hair, get a hair supplement. You could check it out in my channel playlist. Nature Bounty hair supplement. That's very cheap, under 10 bucks. You could get it. It's not only good for your hair, it's good for your nail, and also is good for your skin. You could check out detailed video in my channel. Or if you really wanted to get a really good one, which is folly growth. A lot of people in my channel, they're using folly growth and really helpful to them. It's a little bit more expensive, but that has 28 different vitamins in it. So you could check it out in my channel playlist, detailed video for that. You know, most often I get a question, they're in a different country, they don't have available, Amazon is not available, eBay is not available. You could always, like I said, email me in my email address and show me your picture, what your hair situation is. I'll try to help you best of my knowledge. What can you do wherever you are, stop your hair fall and get back the hair you desire. Okay, now comes to the giveaway. These two products I wanted to give away. This is Andrea. First time I reviewed this product over 2 years ago, and thousands of people, they're using this in their shampoo, and they, man and woman both using it, and they have significant hair growth and thicker and fuller hair with this product. And I wanted to give away these two products, but you know, the thing is, overseas, I cannot ship it to overseas because I'm in New York. You know, if you're in New York metro area, you know, if you wanted to pick it up, you could just get it from me. I'll give it to you. Overseas, it's gonna cost me more money to ship it than the product. Products is about like 25 bucks, but I'll give it to you free. But the thing is, if I try to ship it overseas, it's gonna cost me more than that, you know. So it's not gonna makes no sense to ship it overseas. I wish in future, because this channel is growing really fast, And a lot of company now, they're emailing me because they wanted to give me some free products to check it out. And I wanted to give it out to my loyal viewers. And I wanted to give them and let them use it if it works or not. This way I could get real data if that product is good or not. I wanted to do that, but like I said, if you're in New York, you're in New York area, metro area, you could email me in my description box. I'll give it to you. You could just pick it up, because shipping it, I don't know, like I never shipped anything. I'm not a professional about shipping. So if you are an expert on shipping, what would be the best way to do it? But I wanted to give it to, maybe if 2% reach me, I'll give it to 2 people each, one of each. So this one you use in shampoo, and this is a Meiji. This is really good product. This has like 7 different ingredients in it. Again, you have a detailed video about this product in my channel video. This is much more stronger than the 7-day ginger oil, and you could use this like in the morning once, and you're going to see a significant difference in your hair growth within a week. So this is really good product. Again, I'm sorry that I cannot ship it overseas. It's going to cost me more than the product itself. But if you're in local, I'll definitely like to give it away. I never tell you guys to subscribe to this channel, but my new channel is there. I have the link in the description box. Check it out and consider subscribe to my new channel, because I really need help on that channel. So that would be really appreciated. Thank you so much.